My first day at school. I'm in class V third I now. 5 years ago, my father wanted to put me to class third I in my village school. It was because he had taught me at home up to class 2I. I was good at arithmetic and Oria. One an auspicious day, he took me to the village school. He introduced me to the headmaster of the school. The headmaster asked one of his assistant teachers to conduct a test for me. I took the entrance test and fortunately came out with flying colors. The headmaster was very pleased with my performance. I was very nervous at the outset, but my parents consoled me. They told me I would get playmates there. A teacher took me to class 3 and seated me in the front row. I attended some classes and answered my teachers' questions to their satisfaction. During the recess, I played with the pupils of my class. School was over at 4 p.m. and I came back home with my friends. I narrated my pleasant experience at school to my parents. They were happy to know that I had begun to love my school.